Yes, sir. We got a crazy video right here. Let's go ahead and check it out, my boy.
Let's see what's going on.
Yes. Put your hands behind your back, sir. Put your hands behind your back.
So police in Georgia say a tragedy averted after a family saw something and then said something to police. Authorities arresting a convicted felon at the Atlanta airport yesterday.
Hey, you know what I noticed about this?
I know this song. What you know this?
He ain't white or Persian. He ain't no terrorist. It's a white man doing some crazy ish. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't want to make no stereotypes, no assumptions, but
Hey, I know it's not my people.
hey, it's not you. It's not me. It's them over there. Let me get it back to it.
Morning after his family called the cops to say he was allegedly on his way there to try and commit a mass shooting. Now get this, now the family turned him in. Madison Scarpino live in Atlanta with how this all went down.
My bad.
I ain't gonna laugh.
Go ahead.
That's serious.
If your family turning you in,
know you doing something.
you know you done fucked up. They said, hello, I'm calling to tell you that my family done fucked up. They said they about to blow up the whole damn airport. Please get him. I am not associated. If he said I'm associated, it ain't me. Look.
Hey, if mama snitching, you done did something.
No, real
If
talk.
mama snitching, you done did something.
Real talk. If your mama snitching on you, what you gonna do? You gonna crash out on your mama? Drop your comments in the comments.
Hey,
Look, I need to know what y'all gonna do in the comments, man.
I want to know too. Come on.
Come on now.
Thanks,
Good morning there.
Good morning, Bill. Police say that the suspect was streaming on social media, making threats, saying he was on his way to go shoot up the Atlanta airport, and he was also armed with an assault rifle. Well, as you mentioned, the family then notified police, who were then on the lookout for
Black
this
lady
man,
like
and
this. Hold on.
thankfully they
You got
grabbed
what?
him before anything could happen. So this is police detaining
Hey, why the niggas got
49-year-old
smiling?
Billy
Because we got
Cagle,
one.
who they say is a convicted felon with mental health problems.
He's a felon with a semi-automatic weapon.
Well, all the niggas
He's
like,
got
yeah, it ain't a nigga.
challenges, and he's approaching the world's busiest and most efficient airport. When you have those combinations together, it can turn out to be deadly.
Police did not know that the suspect was already at the airport by the time the family alerted them of his threats. Video shows Cagle parking his truck in the South Terminal drop-off zone and making his way into the terminal just minutes later. Fortunately, though, with his gun still in the truck. Police say he was particularly interested in the TSA security line and was hanging around there before police.
That nigga got a mullet in 2025. I think that's a chargeable offense right there.
He already got one strike.
Hey, one strike and you overweight.
Man.
2 strikes.
Recognize and detain him. And investigators then found the AR-15 with 27 rounds of ammo in Cagle's truck outside.
Wait.
He was serious.
No. Hold on. If you about to shoot up the airport, how you gonna leave your tools in the car? What you gonna do? Oh, I'm about to shoot this bitch up. My bad. But I'm about to shoot the club up. But let me go back to my car. Let me go back to my car and get my gun, and then y'all just wait right here, all right? Don't do nothing. Don't arrest me. No nothing. Just let me go get my thing real quick. Let me get my tools, and I'm gonna get the cleaning in this mug. That make sense to you?
Hey, bro, he got some privilege.
Hey, they say he got
privilege.
They say he got mental issues, but boy, he ain't thinking straight.
I do believe that Mr. Cagle was headed back to his truck to retrieve it, and I do believe he was likely to use that weapon inside the crowded terminal that he had just seen.
Cagle is currently in the Clayton County Jail. A bond has.
He said, "Why? Stop sign,
Man.
stop sign. What are you stopping me for?" That's a white version.
Not yet been set, but he's now facing multiple
Billy
charges,
Joe Cagle
including
is
terroristic
crazy.
threats and possession of a
That can't be his
firearm.
real
Now,
name.
of course, there are still a lot of
That
questions
can't be his
as to
real
how
name.
this
Tell me
mentally
you
ill
lying.
felon got his hands on that powerful weapon, and that's
Bro,
all part of the
Billy-
investigation. But bottom line, police believe that they prevented a
Bro, I
potential
know that ain't right.
horrific
Yeah, nah.
event thanks to their quick work. Bill.
Indeed. The family made a tough decision.
Billy Joe
Made the right decision,
Cagle.
apparently. Madison,
Cagle.
Texas in Atlanta.
I'm Steve Ducey. I'm Brad.
Line him up.
You're my Billy.
Hey, what they do when they get up to there? They're like this. Billy Joe,
Billy Joe.
you're going to jail. You're going to jail.
You're coming with me,
And
Billy
the
Joe.
black lady,
Billy Joe,
she
come
said,
with me.
She said, sir, don't you act fast now. I'm a black woman. I will smack the shit out you.
Man.
I look fat as hell. Hold on, damn. I just ate y'all. My fault.
Hey, don't worry. We back on program.
I'm gonna sit my butt down.
We back on program. We getting these push-ups and sit-ups in.
I'm gonna sit down.
Hey, it's the off season right now, but you know, like Zion, he slimmed down a little
Hey,
bit.
slim down, Luca. Check out the Lakers. You see,
Shout out Luka.
real Laker fan right there.
Shout out Luka.
Hey, but real talk. Back on the damn.
Back on business.
Back on business, but like
Let's talk about the Kegels. Billy
Billy
Joe.
Joe. Billy, I'd like to report a crime. Okay, what's going on? My son, Billy Joe. Who? Billy Joe.
He got a mullet.
He got a goddamn mullet from 1985. He's trying to shoot up the airport. He's trying to do what?
Check out the back seat.
He got a gun. What type of gun are we talking about, man? It doesn't matter what type of gun. He's trying to shoot the club up. Shoot the club up. Shoot the club up. Man, it's getting wicked out here. The white folks snitching on the white folks. I ain't never heard of that.
Hey, God bless Miss Kegel. God bless.
Miss Billy Joe Cagle. Or should I say Miss Joe Cagle?
Miss Joe.
I hope she's doing her kegels. Keep that motherfucker tight.
That's another conversation.
Before Suge Knight come over and end your night.
Hey.
All right, y'all.
Hey,
you know what to do.
It's dangerous.
You know, hey, I ain't dangerous. Some white folks dangerous. I'm sorry. Hey, if you know you owe that skin tone, I apologize. I just be joking, bro. I just be joking. Hey, what white folks be saying? I got a white homie. I ain't racist.
Hey.
All right. If y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe, tune in.
Comments, come on.
Hey, no, for real. What you think about this video right here?
Yeah.
Hey,
Is that his real name?
if y'all rocking with Billy Joe, put a comment down below. If y'all rocking with the black police officers, put a comment down below. But at the end of the day, you gotta like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned because we about to keep this mother popping.
Yes.
We gonna be dropping down like Billy Joe. Bang, 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 bang.
Hey.